How to change Cash App bank card. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Cash App bank's card, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to change your card or maybe your bank on Cash App, all you have to do is just first of all go ahead and launch the Cash App on your smartphone. Once you launch Cash App, just tap the profile looking icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here if you scroll down you'll find a section where it says link to bank, so you want to make sure to tap on it. As and when you tap on the linked banks option, here you'll find all of the cards and banks you've added. So if you're trying to change it, you want to make sure to tap on either of those. You'll have the option to remove the bank or the card, or to change the bank or the card. So if you're talking about changing them, you can just tap the change button, enter the new bank or card details, and then you should be able to add them all together. And that's it for this video on how you can change the Cash App bank's card. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.